This is Master Theory Book 1, Lesson 23. Today we're talking about eighth rest. So verses to eighth note, there's also eighth rest. So an eighth rest, the value is the same as the eighth note. So the eighth note usually looks like that. It has one flag. The rest, the flag is on the left. Okay, so the notes going to the right, the rest of the flag goes to the left. In the future, when you have 16th rest, you'll have sometimes two flags like that versus 16th note with two flags to the right. The beat under these eighth notes in eighth rest also be written like R. So R can mean any value of rest in this book. They just want to make sure you identify its a rest here. The exercise number 1, in the step below, fill in the first measure with as many as needed. So if that's an eighth note and that's an eighth rest, this together is 1/4 beat. So make sure you fill as many as needed, not like just 2 or 1. You need to make sure you do the math. So here, the line says 4/4 beats in each measure. So we're gonna write 4 sets of them because first one is as many as you need it. So I'm gonna write, it doesn't matter the pitch actually. So just make sure you write it neatly. And when you write the notes of the rest, make sure you start from the third space. So it looks better. So it's not too low, not too high. Number 2, fill in the second measure with as many as you need. So that's a quarter note plus a eighth note and the eighth rest. So that's a half beat. So not a half beat, sorry, half note. So half note is 2 beats. So you need to write it twice. So here we go. We have quarter note, rest, and then quarter note, eighth note, rest. Number 3, fill in the third measure with as many this combo as needed. Again, that's also 2 beat because 1/8 rest, 1/8 note, 1/4 rest. So all you have to do is write this combo twice. Again, and make sure you write it neatly so people can recognize. And also, if you check number 5, it says write beats under each note and rest that you have just written. So you have to make sure you will leave enough space and be able to squeeze in that little space. So I'm going to finish number 4 first. Fill in the fourth measure with as many this combo as needed. So again, that's 2 beats and we have 4 beats needed in each measure. So I'm going to write 2 of them. Oops, start getting a little rough. Rest, rest, and like that. So it's going to be 1 rest, 2 rest, 3 rest, 4 rest, and then 1, 2 rest, 3, 4 rest, rest, and 2 rest, and 4. Last one would be 1 rest, rest, and 3 rest. Oopsie, I said rest, but I write and 3 rest, rest, and the last one will be N, not 4, because 4th beat is right here and it is replaced by the rest. Okay, so this is the lesson 23.